Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you fun website where you can learn prompting to create images. So if you are wondering how I can prompt better to create more detailed images during image generation or video generation, you can use this website and upgrade your skills in prompting. So the name of this website is Say What You See, but the website link is a bit different. I'll share this link in the description below of the video and also in the comment. And this is actually a initiative by Google itself, by the Google Arts and Culture team or the community, and this is completely free to use. So as you can see, there is a start level 1, and as you prompt the quizzes which are given over here, you upgrade to new levels. Maybe you will start from level 1 to level 2, 3, 4, and then so on. As you can see, there is also a message here that says that I have generated images with Google AI, and you can have to try to generate a close match being the match to the image itself. I'll be on hand with prompt tips along the way. So let's start the level 1. So this is the first image. Include information about the medium, the subject, and the context. A painting of a dog in a field. But we have to give a detailed prompting about this image itself. So let's click on let's begin. And here is the image. Let's write that it's image with red background with with blue lines all over it as a maze. Um, I think so. It's quite right. And let's click on generate. And now this guy over here with a little brain kind of a thing will let us know if it's correct or not, or is it a close match to the image itself. It's saying let me think. This might take up to 30 seconds. And here is a tick mark, which means it's a 58% match, which is pretty good, right? And it also gives you a tip to upgrade your prompting, as it says describe the texture you see. Is it smooth, rough, or patterned? Oh yeah, I could have also written about it's in a blue kind of a pattern on this red background, and I could have upgraded the prompting itself. Let's go to the next one and let's see, take a look at this artwork I generated with Google AI. How do you describe it? So how do you describe this image? I'll say it's a gradient theme color by background. The color is starting from green above and later gradiating, changing to, what is this color? Is it it's not, it's peach, changing peach. Let's see how it does. Nice, it's a 77% match, which is pretty good. And here is a new tip. Tap tape. Try to be more specific with the tones of the colors. For example, is the green more of a lime green or forest green? Yes, this tip is pretty good. Yeah. Is the peach color light or dark? Okay. So it's trying to help me to detail my prompt a bit better so it's a complete match to the image which is shown here. Let's go to the next one. as you can see in level 1 and also all the further levels, there are 3 tests you have to pass, then you will level up. So this is the last image. Let's see. It's a ramen dish with egg and a bit of vegetables and noodles in it with the curry. Boom. See, it's a 80% match, and here's the tip. What is the angle of the photo? Is it a bird's eye view or from the side? Or you can I can also write from which view it is. It's actually a bird's eye view, so I could have also mentioned it in my prompt for the match. But yeah, so as you can see, this is pretty effective tool. It gives you a kind of a fun activity to try to make a prompt which is a better match to the image given first. And by using this over time, you can make your prompts a bit better, in more detailed. And yeah, I think so this is pretty good. And when we click next, you can go to the next level, or you can share it if you want. And also, let's go to the next level. I'll show you one more thing. Level 2, 60% to match for pass. So what it means that once you write the prompt, the prompt should match the image which is shown over here more than 60%, or else you'll fail. So let's try the level first task, and I'll wrap up the video. So let's try level two's first task, and then I'll wrap up the video itself. Um, I'll write the background is a pink color, and there are uh, plant leaves in it which are pretty slim. I think so. Is it right to write slim? See. It's not good. So as you can see, it has to be a match of 60% or more. Let's try again. Try again. You can incorporate the tip in the prompt, and let's write it that, and there are plant leaves in it which are evenly distributed on page itself. Let's try it. Try again. Let's try its abstract. Abstract. Okay, wait a second. Plant leaf. And the style is abstract. Uh, I forgot an S in the abstract, but no worries. Let's see. See, it's a 70% match, which is pretty good. So the level 2 is not that hard, but you have to make the prompts accurate, and this little tips helps you along the way. So you can also click on this, search this topic, and you will get more images like this related to this, which is pretty good. I think so. You can download those two. I think it's possible. Should be possible. Let me see. Okay, it's not possible to download the images itself, but yeah, it's a pretty good fun activity which can try it out. And let's return to the game. And yeah, you can complete more levels and level up and make your prompts more detailed. Also, I'll wrap up this video here itself. It's a pretty good tool. You can check it out, and I'll keep this video short. And also, kindly like and subscribe to my channel because I'll be covering more AI tools and website created by Google Labs itself. So, yeah, bye. Take care.